Hello everyone, my name is Azaz Patel and you are watching Azaz Patel official YouTube channel. Welcome to the part 3 of e-learning website development in PHP with PDO. Before we start the project, if you not subscribe my YouTube channel till now, so press the subscribe button to subscribe my YouTube channel and you will get the latest videos directly into your inbox. So now let's start. Before we starting the website, I forgot to show you something, so I'm going to show you that one from here. So I'm going to log in into my system. So just look at here, we doesn't see this section into our overview section, overview part 1. We doesn't see this one. So this is the user courses which is byte from here. So that one will be displayed from here. If user want to click on this one, so this is the lecture information available here. Just look at here. If I choose this section, so now I can be able to see the videos of the section. Just look at here, lecture videos. You can see that now all the videos are unlocked now, just because I buy this project, this course. Before I buy, just look at here, I cannot be able to see in this tutorial from here. You can see that there is no option to see the videos. But here, when I buy the course, then that time, just look at here, I am able to see in all the lecture videos of this course. Okay, so this is how can we, and also just look at here, you can also add the comment from here. Just look at here, if I add something from here, something like this course is very beautiful. If I say something like that, this course is nice, and when I add the comment from here, when I scroll down, just look at here, this course is nice. So this is the comment section. Also we will display that comment from here into our the course detail page. We will display that one from here. So now this two section is remaining to show you in the past tutorial part 1. So now I'm going to show you something more. If I have the teacher, let's jump to the teacher account. Azaz Patel 199 and my password is this, and I'm going to my account section. So just look at here, here is the option available, social connect and about me. Just look at here, this is the instructor. This section is only viewed by teachers only. This section is not for the user, guest user, student. For student, this section will be not appear into his account. Just look at here, and I log out from here and going to the student account, my account. So just look at here, here is no section is displayed from here, just because this is a student. But if you have an instructor, and that time you will be able to see that section from here. So here is a social connect which is displayed from here. If you observe here, this is the instructor section, instructor profile, into our course section, course detail section. So these are some different pages or social media connects. So that will be managed from here. So just look at here, and when I click on this update now, so it will be update. And then about me, so that about me is coming from here. I am a professional web developer. If I change something from here and say something like let's say Azaz Patel, and update that one. So just look at here, and also that will be updated from here. You can see that, you can see this one from here. See, Azaz Patel. Okay, so these some small things I forgot to show you. So now let's log out from here and going to our directory. And here first of all, let's create a one folder of YouTube, just because yes, so many projects of my system is available from here. So now let's create a particular folder for a particular section. So let's try to create one folder with the name admin. This is for the admin. Another folder for the images, another folder for the INC includes file, and one more another folder for the JavaScript files, one another folder for the CSS, and then yes, all are perfectly work. Oh, sorry. Inside YouTube, we need to make one another folder with the name ELearning, which are project name. Okay, ELearning, and then these all folders will be added into from here. Okay, if you remember, we create a one more course before this course, so I also like to add that course from our YouTube section. Cut it from here, paste it into the youtube.com. okay, then you also make one another. Yeah, this is also for the YouTube, so I will be add that course into my YouTube section. Okay, so we need this one e-learning section. So just look at here, if I write something now, we need to close this one from here and say localhost, and then if you observe here, here's the option available YouTube. So when I click on this one, so different directories. So I'm going to e-learning just because my project is e-learning. So just look at here, the directory is listing here. You can see that, but currently we doesn't create any page. For that reason it is displayed from here. So when we create a page, then that time this will be not displayed from here, and our page will be displayed from here. Okay, so guys, I think this is enough for today. If you guys are like my videos, then like and share my videos, and if you have any question in your mind, then comment below. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, just because it is very important for you. When I upload the new videos, then you can get the direct video notification into your inbox. So guys, see you in next tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in next tutorial. Stay connected with me. Stay tuned. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.